Assalamualaikum guys, welcome to Skill Station. Today is our second last lecture of our course named Statistical Data Analysis by using RStudio. We have discussed each and everything in detail. Today lecture is very interesting that how we can generate word output file. Mean how we can convert our R code file with graph and table into word file. Sometimes we do interpretations on word file, so we must need to create a word output file. So today I am going to teach you how we can create a word file. Guys, steps are a bit complex, but you have to follow me step by step. You are lucky that you have subscribed my channel. In YouTube, there is not a single lecture that is teaching how you can save word file as an output file. So let's start. First of all, I will first subscribe my YouTube channel. So I have already imported a sample dataset. So first I will simply str my dataset. I will perform a simple linear regression firstly. Today I am not going to teach you regression. I have already teach you regression in very detail. What is regression? How to perform regression? Types of the regression. So today I will simply take a script of the regression, paste it. Now I will run this code one by one, and we will get here. I will run code 1, 2, 3. So I will get linear regression output, and I will convert this output. Here you can see simple linear regression plot, simple linear regression plot. So I will simply convert this plot, this R code and graphs into a form of the word as an output file. So this is a bit complex, so you have to follow all these steps. So here, so what you will do first? First you will come here, click on. So first you can save this R code file. Simply click on Control S. Here you can give any name of the file and you can save R code file. So second, how you can save code file in second way? Click here and click here save as, and here you can also save code file. Now how you can create R Markdown file and how you will convert that file into word output file? Click on file, click on new file. Here you will click on R Markdown file. Here you can give any name, like I gave name Wasim. And here you can click HTML, PDF, Word as you want. Click on Word, click OK. Now here you can see that R Markdown file has created. First step has completed. Step number 2. Again come to untitled file. Here your original script. Here now you will again import your dataset. Step number 2, you will import your dataset again. Browse, and the dataset that I was using is Ficus dataset. I will again import dataset Ficus. So here I imported. So here you will change the name and write here df. Whatever the name of the dataset, you have to write df. I have write. Now you will copy this complete paragraph or complete line as such it. You will copy this and import now dataset. So guys, step number 2. Now step number 3, you have to paste that line that you copied before start Ficus. Mean on the top you have to paste. Step number 3. Now step number 4, you have to remove udf. And step number 5, you will replace df with file name Ficus. Here. Now you will simply select all this code. Control Z. Now simply you will select all this code and copy this all code. Step number 6. Now you will open your R Markdown file. So you will scroll down. Here you can see this. You have to remove all this. This is junk. You have to remove all this. Step number 7. You will click after R card and enter, and between R card and summary card you will paste that code you have copied. Step number 8. You will copy the package name, like package name is library ggplot2. Simply you have to copy this. You will copy whatever the package correlation, regression, time season, you have to copy just that. After this paragraph you will enter, and here you will paste that. You will paste that library name or package name. As I write down this. Now you will click on the night, and here you can select any format, HTML, PDF or Word format. I have already, so I will click on the Word. Now you will have to give file a name like FD Shah 1 2 3 4 5. I will click on save. Now Word file will be generated. You mean that output file in the form of the Word will be created here. You can see that Word file is generating. It will take almost 15 seconds to 30 seconds to generate Word output file. So guys, you can also select a save file as a PDF, HTML as you want. So today just I am saving as a Word file. Here you can see that Word file is created. Here you can see that Word file is created. Here is R code. Here you can write interpretation. There are also graphs. Here you can see all the graphs. Little scroll down. All the graphs, all the outputs, all the code in the form of the word you will get. Here is everything. Here you can see the regression, length, each and everything. Here is also a pressure plot. A pressure plot. This is by default. You can also remove. How you can remove? Simply you will scroll down, and here you have to remove this R pressure. Simply remove this. Simple. Now you will not get any R pressure plot. So this is guys how you can save R code file and graphs are in the form of the Word file and the output file. Subscribe my channel. Next lecture will be how we can make word map by using the RStudio. Tomorrow will be our last lecture of RStudio course, and I have also completed 70% of Python course. Next course will be on SPSS and Java. Subscribe my channel guys and follow Skill Station. Thank you.